Yo, YouTube, what is going on? Today's video, I'm going to show you a brand new working method to get free virtual credit cards in 2024. Alternatively, these are also known as free Visa cards, and these are basically prepaid cards loaded up with $250 that you can redeem and use within any online checkout. So let's get into it, guys. You need to use your mobile phone, open up the internet on your phone and go to www.speedycoupons.com. Speedy Coupons, the ultimate source for coupons and codes. Hit the search bar at the top of the page, search for Visa, and you're looking for the Visa Money gift card codes. Scroll down. As I mentioned, there is a $250 free Visa account gift card code. So this is basically a code, and you can redeem it in any Visa accepted checkout, and it's going to act as a $250 balance. Alternatively, you can even get a 50% off any Visa accepted checkout. So if you're doing a large purchase, the 50% off could actually work out more beneficial, but you just have to click on show coupon for the one you wish to get. And you need to unlock your Visa code, guys. Obviously, these are worth a lot of money, so this prevents someone from taking all of the codes. So I'm not going to do it because I've already done this loads of times, but you're going to need to tap unlock code. And then when this reaches 100%, you're going to see a new screen appear, and it's going to tell you exactly how to unlock your free Visa code. It takes about 5 to 10 minutes, which I think is worth it considering you're getting a $250 prepaid balance. And that is how you can get your free Visa money. Pretty easy, guys. You got to go to speedycoupons.com and get your code. Make sure you take your time, follow all of the instructions on the website and in this video, and you're going to get your free cash. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, go ahead, smash the like button. Once you get your code, make sure you come back and you are able to rate this. And yeah, enjoy, guys. I'll see you next time. Peace out.